What's up, code leaders? Welcome to another tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally, so you don't have to buy hosting. Um, so we're going to install it with MAMP. It's going to be on your computer, so you don't have to buy a hosting. Guys, this is going to be a really quick one because we are all code leaders. So first of all, you want to install MAMP. Just go to your Chrome and just type in MAMP. Click on the top link. So guys, I have like another tutorial on how to install MAMP, and if you have possible like problems, it's gonna show you every solution. But for the quick version, you just want to click on the free download and you just want to follow the steps. Because I have already downloaded, I'm not gonna download it again. So you just follow the steps, and when you've installed it, you just search for MAMP and it's gonna open. Mine is like a blue MAMP thingy with a probably different layout than yours because I have bought this version, but the free version is basically the same. So first of all, we want to make like a hosting, and then on that hosting we're gonna install WordPress. So we already have localhost. You already have that one too, so that is good. Now we're gonna start the servers. So it's gonna make localhost like a real hosting, but only on your computer. So we have started the server. This button here, right here, is green, so that is good. After that, we're gonna make a database. Just click on the plus button, give the database a name. We're gonna call it WordPress underscore code leader, or you can just call it your website name. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna call it like this because I just like it. Just click on create, and your database is created. Now you have to click on save, so it's gonna save it, else it's not gonna work. Blah de blah. Do you want to restart? Yes. So we are restarting. It's gonna take a short amount of time. So guys, I just started my account Code Leader, and I just want to help everybody with learning how to program and how to use these things like WordPress, etc. So if you like it, just like, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. It will really help because I just want to grow this channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Um, yeah, all right, so we have started. So step one is done. We have made the hosting in the database. Now we're gonna go to WordPress and just install WordPress. Type in WordPress and then type in org. This org is important because we don't want to go to WordPress.com. They're like selling shit. You're just gonna go to WordPress.org. Well, it's not shit, but we want to go here. Click on Get WordPress, click on Download WordPress, and it's gonna download WordPress. Nice. Showing Finder. Here's the WordPress. I'm just gonna drag it to my desktop. Replace. Yeah, replace. So close this window. Here's WordPress. You just want to double click on it because I already have a WordPress file. I'm gonna delete. So here's the file. Just double click. It's gonna open, and here's the opened WordPress file again. Now you want to put this WordPress file where all the WordPress code is in it. You want to put that in your hosting, and then you can actually start the WordPress website. So as I said, here's the hosting. I'm gonna look for it again in my Finder. Go to applications. I'm gonna search for MAMP. So guys, if you have a Windows, you just go search for MAMP somewhere in your Windows files. I don't know how that works. And you want to go to HD Docs. This is actually the local host, so this is your hosting. I've already like a few websites here, and I'm just gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna call it, and you can call this actually your website name, but I liked WordPress Code Leader for this tutorial. Click on enter. So this is your new website. Open up this WordPress folder, just select everything and drag it inside of this one. Great. So now we have like WordPress in our new website. So you can close that, close this one, and now we can go to our localhost. So right click localhost, open host in web browser. Amazing. And so this is our localhost, and it says forbidden, but it's actually because we got to go to our website. So what was the name of the website? I'm gonna go back again to, well, applications, MAMP, htdocs. It was named WordPress code leader. I'm gonna copy this name. Oh, I'm gonna copy this name, and I'm just gonna type in backslash and then the name, and let's see, voila. There we have the WordPress installation. Great. So you're gonna click on your language, probably English. It says, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following item, blah, blah, blah. All right, good. Just click on let's go. So it says, what is your database name? Well, we have just created a database and it's called WordPress underscore code leader. So I'm just gonna type that, code leader, okay. Username, well, this is the username and the password of your database host. This MAMP is our database host and it was called localhost, right? Because we have put the WordPress files in here. So it's called localhost, and for default when you install MAMP, your username and password is root. So you're gonna yeah, username is gonna be root. Gonna insert that. Database host localhost, correct. Table prefix. Most people type in here like these words, you know, just something for security reasons. But you're just for now we're gonna keep it like this because it's on your computer. Nobody's gonna hack you. And just click on submit. And all right, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation, blah blah. So you have made like WordPress setup, and we can just install it right now. All right, so it says, okay, welcome. WordPress is installed. Because we're code leaders, we made it so quickly. Site title, just call it WordPress code leader for now. And guys, you can change this information later in WordPress. It's really easy. Username, this is my name, Mohammed. All right, it's good. Password, yeah, but I want to copy that. Email, I'm gonna put on my email. Why not? And search engine visibility. Well, this is for SEO purposes, but it's just all local, so you can just click on install WordPress, and it's, oh, you must provide email. Okay, so here's one of my emails. So install, and it's gonna success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Password, yeah, login. Nice. All right, so we have installed WordPress successfully, guys. Congratulations. So my name was Mohammed and my password is this, and I'm gonna log in. Actually, my name must be code leader. All right, guys, so, and that is how you install WordPress locally. So we have now like a WordPress locally installed on our website, and we can do everything with it. We can change the code, make new pages, posts, etc. That was it, guys. And whenever you wanna, and this is the link. So we have made the website in our hosting, and you just enter it by, you enter WordPress by typing WP admin. If not, you can just go to the website. You're gonna see the front page. All right, code leaders. So congratulations. And if you liked it, just subscribe. And if you have any comments, let me know. I'm gonna answer your questions. See you next time.